Hello, Allison. Really quickly, just want to shoot a fast video to show you what you can improve on your marketing and hopefully bring in more business consistently. So it looks like you have a nice Facebook page already set up, Rappahannock Cleaning Services LLC. Sorry for butchering the pronunciation. And you've been open for a little over a year, so awesome. It doesn't look like you have a website. So let's see. What about your Google business listing? Usually if I Google the business's name, the GMB will show up right here. So let's see what happens. Well, your Facebook page shows up. Fredericksburg, VA, Newtown, VA. Let's try to add in Virginia. I don't see your Google business listing. So that is kind of concerning. Usually, if you have one, it will show up right here. So I think you might need to either optimize it or create a new Google business listing. So let me show you how to do that. So first step is to go to google.com/business and fill out all of the information. You'll need to put your business name, your address, your phone number. You can just use your home address and then hide the address later on. You'll need to have all of the right business categories. This is super important. So this is a full list of all the business categories that are possible. So really quickly, just to go through them. Cleaners is one of the categories you should have. Cleaning services, commercial cleaning service, as well as house cleaning service. Those are the main four for cleaning companies that you'll want to have. After that, you'll have the right categories, and you're going to want to upload at least 25 photos, if not more. So anytime somebody searches for cleaning services near me, or cleaning services Virginia, or cleaning services whatever city, you want to show up in the very top business listing spot. That will allow you to get a lot more calls than everyone else. Let me show you kind of what the business listing looks like. So these are the photos. You want to have lots and lots of photos. Try to make them square. If they're super wide like this, they don't look very good. And before you upload them, when you download the photo in the first place, you want to name it as a keyword you're trying to rank for. So the type of keywords that you want to be ranking for are common search terms, like things people might put in Google, such as cleaning services near me, cleaning company, best cleaning company, residential cleaning, commercial cleaning, Airbnb cleaning, etc. After that, you're going to want to get a lot of reviews. The best way to get reviews is to click on this button, copy the link, and then shorten it. You can use like bit.ly or other link shorteners, and then text it to all of your friends and all of the people who have previously you've worked for and done cleaning for, and get a lot of 5-star reviews. After that, the next step is to get something called citations. So what a citation is it's your business's listing in these types of websites and directories. Things like Yellow Pages, BBB, Home Advisor, Groupon, Facebook, Porch.com. Most of these are free. They just take a few minutes to sign up for. And once you signed up for them, not only do people find you through those websites as well, but you'll also be more credible in Google's eyes. And so you'll be able to be ranking higher in the maps. The next step after that, besides optimizing your Google business listing, I think would be to create a website. I won't go too much into SEO for websites as you don't have one right now, but ideally, anytime somebody searches for cleaning services in your area, you'll be ranking #1 in the GMB as well as ranking #1 in the organic results for your website, which is a whole nother ballgame. But if you end up getting a website, or if you want me to build a website, I can teach you more about what goes into ranking a website online to get the most amount of traffic per month. Other free stuff or ways to get business, you could always do Facebook Marketplace advertisements. I'm kind of surprised by how few people do this, but you can always just advertise your cleaning services. You can post your hourly rate or whatever you'd like to do, and a lot of people can get customers that way. Also, local Facebook groups, community groups, stuff like that is a great way to get new business. And yeah, let me know if you have any other questions or marketing issues you might run across. I'd be happy to answer any questions or get in a phone call with you. Thanks.